Hi, this is Rutvik from Project Abhyas. In India, due to globalization, not many are willing to send their kids to anything other than an English medium school. But the problem is that not many teachers in Indian public schools know English. To tackle this issue, we at Project Abhyas are creating lesson readings. These are audio recordings of textbook chapters in English, aided by vernacular explanations. While writing the scripts for the pilot run, our writers wanted to know how a specific concept taught in a lower grade is used in other subjects and subsequent grades. From there came the idea to build a tool to find similar topics across textbooks to help not only our script writers, but also the teachers and the students to understand the bigger picture. And that's how Abhyas Edu Context came into being. We are building a search engine for education to put concepts in context. For the data, we parsed textbooks across grades and extracted keywords from each sentence using BERT-based deep learning models. These keywords are stemmed and stored in a tiger graph along with contextual information like the sentence, page number, book name, grade, and subject. When the user inputs a query, we extract keywords and then query tiger graph for sentences connected to these keywords. We then convert the resulting sentences into embeddings using deep learning models to perform sentence similarity and show the topics with the best context match. Let's try out Abhyas Edu Context on Collab. We'll start with a statement about computers and humanity. As we have discussed, we extracted keywords, got the response from Tiger Graph, created embeddings out of the response to calculate similarity scores and display the top context matches. Our matches are about how computers have revolutionized our lives, just like our input statement. And for the second example, let's search for a science topic on photosynthesis. This runs the same steps as before to give us the best matches. Here we got responses across grades, and this helps us with understanding how concepts are built over several years. Abhyas Edu Context has implications across the topics of impact, innovation, ambition, and application, be it by aiding contextual learning or filtering context at various levels or touching millions of lives. Down the lane, we would like to build a Tiger Graph-based standalone platform to enable everyone to access context-aware search capabilities. This transcends the education domain and has applications across industries. Thank you. As I've mentioned before, continue watching to know more about Project Abhyas and the bigger picture of our existence.
Imagine you're a teacher in a system that is grossly underfunded, where 1 in 6 teaching positions are vacant, where only a quarter of your students have grade level competency and are going through severe socio-economic challenges, in societies that cannot dream because they're too busy surviving. English is the desired medium of instruction, and you as a teacher are not familiar with it. Along with this, you're forced to do redundant paperwork each and every day while failing to prepare the future architects of a country renowned for its untapped potential. This is the reality of 5 million teachers in 1 million public schools of India, struggling to uplift the 185 million students of one of the world's youngest countries. And then the pandemic hit.
To address these issues, we propose the Abhyas Teacher Assistant. Let's take a look at what a teacher's day would look like with Abhyas. A teacher's day would start by taking attendance on the Abhyas app. Following this, lesson readings will be played to the class in English, aided by vernacular explanations. In their spare time, the teacher can enter the students' marks in the app and a report will get generated automatically. After the classes for the day are done, a guidance session based on the SEL framework will be played on human behavior, learning methods, and different career paths. Later in the day, to wind down, the teacher can use the app to narrate stories and conduct quizzes. We chose audio as the mode of delivery due to its ease of production and scalability. Moreover, research has shown that for learning content, audio has a student's attention 4 times that of video.
We will be continuing this effort by collaborating with college communities and open sourcing the Abhyas platform to create solutions that are suitable, scalable, and sustainable for improving the education outcomes of India and other developing nations. Abhyas. Let us all learn by doing.